So here we are at Bai Hotel. Bai is, in a local language, is friend. So it's friend hotel. Everyone's a friend here. And as you walk in, you certainly feel like a friend, even family. Everyone puts their hand on their heart and good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If they know your name, which some of them do, I don't know how they knew me, but somehow they remember. Good morning, Mr. Cox. Good afternoon, Mr. Cox. So Bai means friend. So it's friend hotel. It's very, very friendly hotel. In fact, Bai Hotel is the biggest hotel in the Philippines outside Manila. It's huge, and I'll show you inside now. It has, I think, 668 rooms. It's massive, and the staff are really, really friendly. So let me guide you into the Bai Hotel now. Hello, hello. So as we enter, on the left side there is their own coffee shop. As we walk in also, there's Marble and Grain Steakhouse and Ume Japanese restaurant. So here is a checkpoint, security checkpoint. Thank you. So this is the reception area, massive reception area, really cool. So there are two restaurants on the ground level, the Japanese restaurant, Ume, and the steakhouse, Marble and Grain. Then there's the coffee shop. Then upstairs to level 2, there's the cafe where the breakfast is, with a huge selection of breakfast. Then on level 22, there's an executive lounge, and on the level 23, the rooftop is like a rooftop bar to have some drinks. It's open until 2 a.m. So really, really cool. So it's a really, really great experience here. You really do feel like a friend. Bai Hotel. Perfect. So let me show you upstairs. I'm in the elevator going to level 2 to the cafe, Bai Cafe, for breakfast. This breakfast is unbelievable. Have a look at the variety when we get there. Here we are. So here's the entrance to Bai Cafe. And look at the variety here. So we have a local section. We have an egg station. We have some cereal. There's a Japanese section with sushi. Then we have the drinks. There's another salad section. Cheeses, assorted platters, cheeses, salads, things like this. Then we have a fruit section. And one of my favorites, waffles, pancakes. And then down the end down here, we have a bread section. All kind of breads and little cakes. So that is the Bai Cafe for breakfast. And you can see there's a lot of seating area as well. So this area is huge, massive selection. It's an awesome breakfast. Alright, so here we are in room 1750. This is my room, 1750. So let's go in and have a look. Here is the room. So as you can see, I'm packed up. I've already stayed here, so it's a little bit messy, but that's okay. So here's the entrance, obviously. The bedroom area, massive bed, big king-size bed. It's wider than my height. You get a little elephant to keep you company. So that's pretty cool. The view is pretty good. On the left there, you can see the bay. And on the right, just here, you can see Park Mall, shopping center. The buildings in the background is Cebu City. There's a workstation, TV, plenty of channels. I got my sport channel, so I'm happy. There's a fridge, so you can put your own drinks in there to keep cool, which is nice. Luggage storage area, the coffee machine, coffee maker, and so on. There's actually an ice cooler thing, ice holder, whatever it's called. So that's cool. So you can even get your own ice and keep it there and get some cool drinks going. The safe. This safe is awesome. It's very long, so it actually holds my laptop. I love safes that are very large, or long, or wide. So it's big enough to hold my laptop. That's really, really good for me. And then we go into the bathroom, toilet, mirrors, hair dryers, amenities, all sorts of things here, towels, more amenities there. And then the shower, of course. Interesting, they have a phone right next to the toilet, so you can even call emergency if you have some problems or something. And another interesting thing was the fire mask. So there's a fire mask here, which is also interesting. In-room dining and so on, telephone. Then there's some slippers under there, even some scales, which is pretty cool. So basically, some cups and things. So basically it has everything that you could ever imagine or want. You just call reception if you ever need anything else. So this hotel, huge hotel, 668 rooms, I think. So it's the biggest hotel outside Manila, biggest hotel in the Philippines outside Manila. So it's a huge hotel. Location is quite good, depending on what you want. It's away from the hustle and bustle and hectic part of Cebu City. So it's right near a shopping mall. There's restaurants. There's like 5 restaurants in Bai Hotel. So you don't even really need to leave if you don't want to. The choice for breakfast was incredible. So it really does have a lot of facilities inside the building, so you don't have to go out. If you want to go out, go explore, but if not, it has everything you could ever want here. So very, very good hotel. I don't know if there's anything else I need to say. So if you have any questions about Bai Hotel, I did stay here 2 nights. Leave a comment. I will answer them, no problem. And if you want more information or to make a booking, click the link in the description. Otherwise, happy travels in Cebu.